Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make an IPTV website. First, clearly define your target audience and the specific content niche you plan to offer. This foundational step helps tailor your service effectively. Next, secure a robust hosting provider capable of handling significant bandwidth and continuous streaming, which is crucial for an IPTV platform. Finally, choose a memorable and relevant domain name that will represent your brand online. These initial decisions are vital for a successful launch. Now, let's talk about content and infrastructure. It's essential to either acquire proper legal licenses for the content you plan to stream or produce your own unique programming. For seamless global delivery, implement a robust content delivery network, or CDN, which ensures fast loading times for viewers worldwide. Additionally, a powerful media server is necessary for efficient video encoding and smooth, uninterrupted streaming to all your subscribers. Moving on to monetization and user experience, you'll need to integrate secure payment gateways to manage subscriptions effectively. This ensures smooth transactions for your customers. Design an intuitive user interface that makes navigation and content discovery effortless, enhancing the overall viewer experience. Consider offering various subscription tiers, perhaps a monthly plan for $10 or an annual plan for $100, to cater to different customer preferences and budgets. Finally, for launch and ongoing success, thoroughly test every feature and streaming quality across various devices before going live. This ensures a flawless user experience from day one. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to effectively attract your target subscribers. Remember, consistent content updates and diligent maintenance of your server infrastructure are crucial for optimal performance and keeping your audience engaged over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.